ideas have come from Game & Watch, and we wanted to make like a musical instrument version of Game & Watch. So we have 3 different models here. Whereas one is the drum machine, which we call Rhythm. The other one is a bass-oriented machine that we call Sub. And then the last one is a melody lead synth-oriented machine that we call Factory. Each of them they've got a 16-step sequencer with 16 different sounds and 16 different effects.
Oh wow, there's 16 effects in it too.
Yeah, and so it's got like a row of a bit crush, low pass, high pass filters, got like a stutter gate effect kind of thing, and like a step multiplier effect. And I think the main challenge, or what we wanted to do, is to in contrast to the OP1, we wanted to make a low cost instrument to try and reach more people but still maintain the quality of the OP1, and so that's been the main challenge, I would say. If I have a pattern here, this is the drum machine now playing. I can chain a couple of them together by just a 3.5mm cable. So
see, it's got a jack on either side here.
Exactly. So you got a line out and then a line in on the other side. So what you do is you set this one to be the master, and then you set this one to be the slave. So I'll just put that one in standby mode. Now it's waiting for a sync signal. And if I press play here now, now they're in sync, and then you can chain a couple of them together. But they'll also listen to like an iPhone sync or a Korg sync, or so you can use it for a lot of different purposes. These have an alarm clock function as well, so you can just set the alarm and you'll wake up to the sound of your beats.
Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I'm here with Arturia to show you our new product, the BeatStep Pro. 2 sequencers, instead with 6 sequences within it, as well as a drum sequencer. You can actually go up to 16 sequences within each of these sequencers. And you can have 10 projects, so like I said, you could have way more sequences than I think anyone should really have.
Are these buttons, or this just tells you what?
It's a strip kind of thing. It's for live play, so as you've made your sequence and everything, you can actually loop it to certain parts of it, or
like a note repeat sort of function.
Yeah, or if you're doing a record play kind of thing, like the drums, you can also use it as a roller to kind of roll the
So you
sounds
can
across.
record sequences by playing them with it. Is that correct?
Yeah.
I noticed it has the record. Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, it is bus powered, so you would need to plug it into something, but we know people that just plug it into walls using like an iPod. But you can hook it up to things like our mini Brute, or any sort of analog gear or anything.
This is Sean with Arturia, talking about the world premiere of the AudioFuse, the first audio interface by Arturia. So a very compact, portable audio interface. Comes with a lid. You open the lid, so when you travel, all your knobs are protected. And there's 3 things about this interface. It's different from anything that's on the market right now. The first thing is quality. Of course, there are other quality interfaces, but this one we really we pushed the envelope on that one. There's quality, there's connectivity, and there's workflow. So quality was the first thing, actually. We studied all the interfaces that were available and looked what A2D converters people were using, because audio interface manufacturers don't make their own A2D. They buy from a manufacturer. So and one of the most popular one for the high interface is called AKM, and AKM makes a A2D converter that everybody's using in that certain high-end range, but actually, we found out that AKM is making a premium A2D converter that no one is using yet. So we went for that. And that is so high quality that there's no preamp that's matching, that can match that quality of A2Ds. So we went and made our own preamp. They're called the Discrete Pro preamps. And the reason they're called Discrete Pro is because they're discrete. It's all discrete components, high gain, high signal to noise ratio, and very low distortion. So the gain goes up like to 75 dB.
Yes, this is the MS-20 in a kit form with no keys, and we've added some new features to it.
Okay, and this is the most interesting thing we're excited about is this SQ1.
Yeah.
This comes, I think you said, as a part of the kit?
It does. It comes with the kit. This part's fully assembled. This part you put together. But this sells on its own, but it's also included with the MS-20 module. And it's a 16-step sequencer. Got a couple of different modes. You can adjust glide.
So does this have like chromatic modes? Is that what I see?
So you can select the scale modes there. And there are two different sets of CV and gate out. So we're using the first one. We could hook up the second one to something else if we wanted to. We could also sync up a set of Volcas, a little bit synth kit, a MIDI device, or we've got the USB connection there, and that's actually how it's powered at the moment. If we didn't have that, we could power it with two batteries. And the MS-20 has some cool tricks up its sleeve too. For example, we've added oscillator sync. There's also FM.
Oh, no kidding. I didn't notice those switches.
And you can switch from the filter Rev 1 or Rev 2 right there. So the two different filter characteristics are there. There's also junction areas right here. So you can actually insert and multiply signals from that area. There's 3 different sets of 4 jacks.
Wow.
So
This
is going to be $11.99 including the SQ1, and we'll also sell the SQ1 by itself for $99.
Welcome to Dubspot. We believe in providing you hands-on experience right away. Whether you're completely new to music and want to turn the sounds in your head into a musical reality, or you're an experienced artist looking to refine your skills and add new tools to your arsenal, we're ready to meet you at your level. For students of all ages, all levels, and all styles of music, Dubspot is here to help you achieve your goals. With course offerings both online wherever you are and at our school in the heart of New York City, we are ready to guide you through the next phase of your musical transformation. Whether you want to produce music, DJ, or do both, you've come to the right place. Come explore Dubspot for yourself. Become a part of our community and make music.